Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, October 29, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, October 29, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng October 29, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later' for 9pm result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, October 29, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 71 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos for October 29, 2023, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for Sunday, October 29, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.